Good morning. It's actually like 1 o'clock, almost 1:30. So we've got the Ford Explorer here, Mercury Mountaineer. Radiator's leaking. You can see just overnight it leaked a little bit there, and it wasn't even running. So first thing we gotta do, gotta get this fan off, then the shroud, then the transmission lines, then the hoses, and then we can pull this thing out. Now that I'm looking at it and thinking about it, I don't think I have to remove this fan. I can just remove the shroud, push the shroud back, and then lift the radiator out. I'm gonna try that first. If that doesn't work, then we'll go for removing the fan, because it's connected to the belt. I really don't want to take the belt off. I'm gonna say that this is a stupid radiator replacement. Just as stupid as the Dodge Journey. Any smaller SUVs. I had to fight with the condenser in here to get it to work, but I did get it in. Unfortunately, it came with a broken bracket. Kind of hard to see, but right here it's supposed to connect right there. This bracket's broken. It came that way, and I'm not putting in another one. So they're just gonna have to deal with it, zip tie it, whatever. And it's not like it moves a ton, it's not going anywhere. So I think it's fine. Just waiting for the owner to bring me antifreeze. Throw some antifreeze in it, start it up, make sure it doesn't leak, and then he can have it back. So this is the mess after one radiator and one headlight repair. So I'm gonna get this mess cleaned up. It seems like my days are just cleaning up messes that I've made. Isn't that what everybody's day is, really? Yeah, that's my day today. And it's late. I'm gonna let you guys go. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing. We'll talk to you tomorrow.